you guys.
Thank you, Joy the Club, for that stellar performance.
Isa lang masasabi ko. That was hot.
Grabe. So we have a new host here.
Ako muna, yung filler nyo. Jokay.
Yun. Siya nga pala yung newly elected Secretary General ng MECO for next school year. So let's give her a round of applause, guys.
Thank you. So next band.
So Joey, sino ba yung next band natin?
Then, ikaw. Alam mo.
Actually, there are 4 boys from Ateneo. So it tells that mga old boys to mga to, and they call themselves as Space World, and they've been in the music industry for like 5 years.
Kung nakula ng pag-uusapan, hanapin nyo ang bandang to. They are the pioneers of cock rock. JP Torres, vocals. Skip Later, guitars. Dina Regalario at bass. Mackie Salmon at drums. Please welcome Space World.
Yun, Space World!
Ay,
Yeah, so, we'd like to thank our sponsors, Magic 89.9, Folded and Hung, Ayala Malls, SM Advantage, Globe Telecoms, and Watchlist Laundry. So, magkwento ka naman, Jokay. Ano po mga next event ng MECO after this?
next event ng MECO after this. Solstice na ba?
Solstice na ba?
Guys, alam mo ba? Big bang yung solstice natin.
First time na magkakaroon ng third party sa embassy. So, at MECO ang mag-uod ng party na yun sa embassy. So, watch out for Solstice sa March. Diba? Yeah.
Oh, interview muna natin ang ating band.
So, habang nagsiset up sila, invite namin kayo na mag-bid sa auctions. May mga featured items na designer bags, clothes, mga teddy stuffs, dogs, mga collectibles doon sa may right side ng stage. So, if you're interested, just check out the items there. Ayan, pinost na nila yung mga list ng mga items to be bid na pwede nyo i-bid actually. Bid. Yun yung mga items na pwede nyo i-bid. Yung auction mag-close siya by midnight. So, if I were you, start bidding right now. May mga magagandang items dyan. Actually, gusto ko yung Shih Tzu ito sa kanyang quad.
Nandiyan ba?
Ewan ka, nandiyan ba yung Shih Tzu na to?
Pwede ba dalhin dito sa stage?
So, kung gusto nyo na makita yung mga items, some of the items will be featured mamaya sa fashion show. So, watch out for that. At syempre, may nakalimutan pala ako. Ganito rin pala ang company of company of realizers or bands. So, watch out for them. They will be performing later on. Tapos ano pa ba yung mga bands na mag-perform later? Na mga bigatin ng mga bands natin ngayon.
Siyempre, mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise na yung Jokay eh.
Oo.
Siyempre dun din ang Chico Sai. So watch out for Chico Sai and solo artist is Julian. Ayun. So dito sila tapos mag-set up. So guys, start na kayo mag-bid sa mga items na dun siya sa site. It's for good cause.
Say hi.
Sa Valentine show. Diba? May date ka na ba for Valentine?
Dead naman eh.
So yun guys, start na kayo mag-bid sa mga items. Nandun lang siya sa right side of the stage. Gusto nyo lang yung team. You can also check out the other items there. Okay, so once again, let's give it up for Space World!
Gusto na lang. Christine, kailan yung open bar daw?
11.
11. Yun yung sinasabi ko sa rin. Yun yung sinasabi ko sa rin.